When did the Padres quietly change the name of the viral Petco Park burger? The surprising timing and reason behind this change slipped under the radar, and you won't believe when it happened. The viral Petco Park burger first made waves for its bold flavors and massive size. Fans raved about it on social media, turning it into a must-try ballpark food. It was famously known by a catchy name that matched its standout reputation. This burger's popularity helped boost Petco Park's food profile nationwide. The Padres quietly changed the burger's name in early 2023. Unlike typical rebranding that comes with fanfare, this change flew under the radar. No press releases or social media campaigns announced the update, leaving many fans and foodies unaware. The reasons were practical and focused on branding consistency rather than any product change. The main reason behind the name change was to align the burger's brand with the Padres' evolving marketing strategy. The team wanted a name that better reflected their identity and connected with fans more directly. Importantly, the burger's recipe and quality remained unchanged, so fans still get the same delicious experience. So the viral Petco Park burger's name quietly changed in early 2023 without much fanfare, all to better fit the Padres brand. But the burger you love stayed exactly the same. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and never miss a surprising story like this.